CryoHeat, and I have my guy Skid Plate over here with me, who's my head technician, and he's going to be building this Harley Davidson transmission for you guys to check out. At CryoHeat, we basically have turned into not just CryoHeat in motorsports. We're CryoHeat that also does a lot of micropolishing, making drivetrain good again. Let's just jump into it with CryoHeat processing, micropolishing, back cutting gears, and installing shim kits. And I'll show you what one of these shims look like. I mean, these things are thicker than paper, but they're really small. And so we're shimming second gear, third gear, and fourth gear, because those gears on the shaft, they're just, it's like a, yeah.
Doing the wiggle.
They do the wiggle. They do a lot of wiggle. And for someone who rides a bike really aggressive or is making more power, totally you need this.
So guys, my name's Skid Plate, or in Mexico, I'm known as Senor Plato. Yeah, this transmission is going to one of our customers, Ken. Great guy, Ken. If you're out there, how's it going? This is on you. But so what we're doing is the Harley Trans is good for any normal day guy. You jump on the bike, you're riding with your old lady, cruising around. They're perfect. But once you start getting heavy on the throttle, whether you're drag racing, whether you're a 1%er and you're running from either zombies or anything. So really hard on it. My nephew is hard as hell on his. So we kind of, with the help, Sam, if you're out there, what up? We came up with these shims. I've got one in here. So what happens is there's a lot of slop between second, third, and fourth. So what's happening is when you're hard on them, this dog in between third and fourth here, it doesn't want to engage all the way. So we've back cut third and fourth to make a stronger engagement and a deeper engagement. And then what we're going to do is we're going to shim these with these shims here, like Josh said, so that they can't get the wiggle on you. The more wiggle they've got, the more unstable they are, the more apt they are to wear out, pop out of gear, so on and so forth. And a lot of guys, with the wiggle, it helps blow out these gears. These gears blow out, take out these gears, the whole thing grenades, and it's not fun for us to clean out. So what I've done is we've already got a shim down here. We've got our bearing on. Now, with what's happened is our shim has now put our hap clips are going to go in here, and then now there's going to be no space for this to wiggle, and this to wiggle. You're going to take up all that space in there. Our beautiful red lube on there. Let's stick it on there. So basically, now that we're done, what we've done is once this goes on, there was, if you've ever seen them, there was a lot of slop in this gear, and this gear. And now I'm literally trying to move it, and it has almost none. Just barely enough to get oil in there and get it lubed with the thickness of the tranny oil. But now these are going to have more positive engagements. It's going to last longer. It's going to be faster, stronger. That's what you're going to need. So if you have a Harley and you're planning on being hard on it, get in here to us. We can cryoheat it, we can micropolish it, we can shim it, and then even if the zombie apocalypse comes, you'll be good. So, they're just here at CryoHeat.